Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi has asserted that he will raise several issues of public importance, including the situation in Manipur in the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament, which begins on Tuesday. Addressing reporters in New Delhi, the deputy leader of the Congress in the Lok Sabha said the party will seek answers from the government on issues relating to Ayodhya, the education system, the automobile sector, foreign policy and Manipur. While alleging that the government might not allow Parliament to function smoothly in order to avoid discussions on these issues, Gaurav Gogoi said Congress will consult its India bloc allies and other opposition parties before taking a collective stand on bills introduced during the session. He said once the bills are introduced, they will discuss them with alliance partners and other opposition parties, and the decision will be taken after reaching a consensus. The monsoon session of Parliament is expected to witness sharp exchanges between the ruling NDA and the opposition, with several contentious national issues likely to dominate the proceedings.
We will raise all important issues which are in the foremost of our public's mind, but more importantly is, will the government answer and present its response? Will the government present its response on what happened in Ayodhya? Will the government present its response to what happened in the Indian education system? Will the government present its response on what is happening in the automobile industry, on foreign policy in Manipur? My fear is that the government will not allow Parliament to run properly and will not allow these issues to be raised because they want to run away from their responsibility on these important issues.
And so, constitution amendment bills, one is of course coming, the other is there is a possibility of it coming. How do you see the position of the government and opposition?
Let the bills come. We will study, but once the bills will come, we will discuss with our alliance partners, with our opposition parties also, and a decision will be taken after due consensus.